Hello everyone, in this lecture the difference between must have and must is explained in detail with understandable examples. But if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn must have. Must have is used to make a logical conclusion about something that happened in the past, based on the evidence or the situation. What does it mean? Simply, it means that the phrase, must have, is used when we talk about the past event because of present situation or evidence. Basically, when we see something and then draw a conclusion from its present condition. So, in such time we need to use this expression. I think you are not getting the point. Don't worry, just look at these examples. She must have been very tired. Observe this sentence. The expression, must have, is used to talk about the activity of the past. Simply, it means that she is sleeping now, so we get the conclusion that she was tired before. So, you can see, because of her sleeping we got the idea that she must have done something which made her so tired that still she is sleeping. He must have forgotten his phone. Look at this sentence. The expression, must have, is used and it means that he is not answering our phone, so we conclude that he does not have his phone with him. So, you can see, we have anticipated that he must have left his phone somewhere because he does not pick our call. She must have achieved proper education. Observe this last example. The expression, must have, is used. Basically, if a girl comes and she talks in such a manner that seems to us that she appears to have achieved proper education. So, we can say, she must have achieved proper education in the past. While the modal verb, must, can be defined as must, is used to express a strong obligation or a necessity that comes from the speaker or a rule, either in the present or the future. Simply, this modal verb is used when a speaker thinks that the receiver is required to do something because it may seem essential to the speaker or it may be a rule. I think still you are not getting the point. So, just look at these examples. You must do your homework. Look at this sentence. The speaker says that doing homework is necessary. Basically, it is the speaker point of view that you are required to do your homework. So, you can see this modal verb is used. We must follow the traffic rules. Observe this second sentence. Simply it is a law that we have to follow the traffic rules. So, the speaker says that following the rules are obligatory. So, therefore the speaker has used the modal verb, must. She must study hard for her exam. Look at this last example. The modal verb, must, is used, and it shows that the speaker believes that she should study for the exam. So, that is why this modal verb is used. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.